We were on the subway earlier for about 5 minutes. As soon as we got home, he's jumped in the shower.
Wait, but you think this is different than the London thing? Nah, you know it's just hidden in the yeah.
It's the fabric, bro. That shit is holding on to everything.
If you were to take your hand and slap that, dust everywhere. Everywhere.
It's better.
I want to try all the drinks that they got out here. We're doing Snapple, kiwi, strawberry. You know what? Oh yeah.
Verdict.
Give me 11 more. Give me 11 more right now.
Bro.
What's it say? Bro, I had a chopped cheese.
Is it?
Bang it.